Greetings and welcome to PinballHelp. Mike here. Work continues on this WPC driver board for World Cup Soccer. I have, this is part 2 of the video series. I have replaced these two capacitors as well as this one here. So this is these two, and I put a little sticker on here saying when it was done. I've replaced this with a higher one. I also went through all these fuses. Those ones that we saw that were white, they were obviously not the right fuses. So I went and looked these up. These are slow blow 5 amps and this 3 amp up here, and so I've went through and tested everything, replaced them. I also found another fuse that was broken, that was blown. So now everything is basically ready to test and throw in the machine. I'm going to do that. We're going to see how well things work. I've also reflowed the connectors right here on J101, and we'll see what we get. I may take a little piece of sandpaper and scuff these just so that there's a little bit better contact points on there, and then we'll fire the game up and see if this addresses the reset issue. If it doesn't, then I'm probably going to look at the diodes on the flippers, because the only time it reset was when I hit the flippers. So we'll see. We'll see what's going to happen. Stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.